We're in the process of laying out the picture. We're sketching the whole picture in pencil prior to the painting, taping and painting. Now we just taped it. It's a 1/8 inch tape. It's a Scotch tape, 1/8 inch tape. You use tape like this for pinstriping on cars and stuff like that. The only drawback to this 1/8 inch tape is that the painter, the pen that I use to draw the black lines between the squares and rectangles, only makes a swath about 1/8 inch wide, which means you have to make two or three lines side by side to cover the space between them. I recently bought some 1/16 inch wide tape, which is very, very narrow. I'm trying that on, I think I tried that on the 5th or 6th painting of this series, which we haven't got to yet. Tough part with taping is going around the corners like that green I just painted there. The tape seems to wrinkle a lot when you go around the corners. I tried making little slices in it to get around the corner and hold a better shape in the corner. We'll have to see how that works out when I take the tape off. If you guys like what I'm doing, I wish you would subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And maybe comment, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell to be notified when the next painting comes out. I'm trying to put one out every 2 to 3 days for a while now, and we'll see how that goes. If I burn out, it'll be less frequent. You can see the width of the white line, that 1/8 inch wide tape between the different colors. See, like when I'm outlining the hand here and stuff, it's just one swipe of the pen around each one, and it makes that thickness of a line. But when you get to the little groove, the little white lines between the rectangles, it takes two or three swipes with the pen. Paint pens work very nice for doing small stuff like that. Base of the wine glass. Thinking about painting another face over top of a face of one of these paintings, but in this kind of glow-in-the-dark clear paint that you really can't see during the daytime, and you can see at nighttime. I had the first picture, the painting before this one, hanging in our hallway, and I was looking at it from another room, and it was it was in the dark, and I kind of said, boy, that would be kind of interesting with a kind of a glow-in-the-dark face that only showed up when the lights went out. But I didn't do it. Not yet, anyhow. Painting is almost done. Painting like this takes about, I know I've got it down to like 8 or 9 minutes, but it takes probably about 15 hours, 16 hours to complete. Now it's going to go off to dry for a few days, and then it'll be varnished and ready to go. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Him out. Hello everybody, it's Jhimm. And this is my next painting. This is Margarita #2. And it's an 18 by 24 as usual. And it'll be available on Patricia's Art Emporium on eBay. And I hope you enjoy it, and you just have a great day. Enjoy your margaritas. Bye-bye.